It is starting to rain out here. As you can see, the raindrops are coming down. And I'm hearing lightning too. Yep, we're getting a thunderstorm. There's a slight chance for another thunderstorm. Hope not. The rain's starting to come down. Let me show you. See those raindrops? See those raindrops? It's starting to rain out here. Whoa, it's really raining now. Today is Tuesday, June 10th. I heard there's going to be another thunderstorm on tomorrow. Oh my god, it is pouring! Oh my god. Something sounded like sirens for a second there, but I don't think there's any sirens. Look at my hand, it's full of water. You can see the water's really coming down. Whoa. You guys can actually see it coming down. Look at that. It's pouring. You guys can actually see it, it's so pouring. Surprise, today at first was a 0% chance of rain, but I guess they were wrong. Did you guys hear that? I heard lightning. Yep, there's lightning out here. There's lightning. See if we can see any lightning over here. I smell rain out here, and it's pouring, and it's raining too. I smell rain. It's raining at the same time. I also smell rain. The rain's starting to slow down a little bit. We were in the green. Checked in telecast, we were in the green. Still raining, but not raining as hard. Whoa. It's not raining very hard. It's starting not to rain very hard, but I'm hearing lightning. Whoa, I saw one. That was pretty crazy. This is getting intense. Wow. And the rain's starting to dry. It's still raining though, but that side is starting to dry. Those are some thick raindrops. You guys can't see the rain anymore. It is still raining though, but not raining nearly as hard. Whoa! The lightning isn't as bad as June 8th or June 4th, but still, the lightning is kind of bad. Can be bad. I don't know. Maybe it gets worse. Maybe it'll get a little bit worse a little bit later. Whoa. Today's June 10th. We had a nice day yesterday. Yesterday it was nice and sunny, but now here's another storm coming. And the same thing's supposed to happen tomorrow, so I will be there for you tomorrow, so yep. Still raining, but not as bad as it was. Pretty short storm. Slowly starting to move out of our area. Slowly starting to move out of our area. So guys, that's about it. See you guys later. Bye. And when it gets worse again, I'll make another video. Okay? See you guys.